What is up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. So today in this video we're going to talk about 9 big tech stocks. But before we start this video, please hit that thumbs up button, and that is greatly appreciated, and that really helps out with YouTube algorithm. And if you find these videos are helpful and you want to support the channel and especially get my daily trade ideas, my swing trade ideas, and 3 days of live trading in my Discord, definitely check out the Patreon. And if you are new to this channel and if you haven't already, subscribe to the channel so you don't miss out on any new videos I post. And now let's get right into it with Apple. On Apple, stock is down finally 1%, and looks like tomorrow we got CPI at 8:30 in the morning. So Apple stock needs to hold 170 right here. Blue line 5 SMA on this daily chart. Below that, Apple can drop and close the gap down here at 167, aligned with this white line 20 SMA. Now to the upside, Apple is not done. Apple can hold 170. Tomorrow we could see a run up all the way up to 174 to this upper Bollinger Band, and then possibly even retest previous 52-week high, which is 176. And now we're going to look at Tesla. On Tesla, stock is down 1.5%, and Tesla holding and retesting the support 167, and now it's trading below 169 right here, 169.39, white line 20 SMA. So tomorrow as a support 167, and to the upside, Tesla needs to break 169.39, and if that happens, a quick trip up to 177 possible still here on Tesla stock. Now to the downside, 167 gives up, then watch out for the support at 163 right here, and then the gap down here at 162.95 all the way down to even 155. And now we're going to look at Google. On Google, stock is down 0.28% on the day, and this goes for my Patreon members. You cannot miss out on an opportunity like this. I called it out 3 times this morning when I was live that Google can be shorted right here, just because I'm not opening a position because I have a lot of other positions in the market. I gotta close those. I cannot just open whole bunch of positions in the market without at least closing some positions for profit. So this was a nice opportunity to short Google stock above 110, and if you did that today, you made money, because look at this, guys. It was getting overextended, trading above upper Bollinger Band, and look at this retracement right back down to 108, and I was calling for 108 puts on Google. Now Google stock tomorrow, watch out for the support 106.55 and 105. To the upside, Google can possibly run back up to 110, and then watch out for this gap all the way up here at 110.93, or I would say 111. And now we're going to look at Amazon. Amazon stock is up 0.75% on the day, so green day here on Amazon. And also if you look at my screen, and you cannot miss out on these dips right here. Look at this, we have blue line and also orange line, 13 SMA exactly at 105. Amazon stock came down to 105.16. The dip was bought up, and look at this, now it's trading at 106.62. So Amazon definitely looking strong and bullish. Tomorrow, Amazon can hold 105.19. We could see a run up all the way up to 19 on Amazon. Below 105, watch out for the strong support aligned with this rising 20 SMA right here at 104. And now we're going to look at Meta. On Meta, another flat day here on Meta. Not really going anywhere, just trading in between 231 and 235. So Meta here, guys, did not get that breakout today above 235, still trading below blue line 5 SMA. So Meta needs to break 235, and then 237. We could see a run up here on Meta all the way up to 248. Now to the downside, look at this. We got white line 20 SMA, orange line 13 SMA, and also 50 SMA just going up, and now it's sitting at 229 almost. So Meta here will find support at 229, 225, rising 20 SMA, and then possibly down to 220. Now Meta got a lot of support down here, guys. 229, 225, 220. So Meta here actually can hold above 229. Very soon we're going to see these moving averages going up even more and possibly pushing the price higher. And in that case, Meta breaks 237, we're going to see more upside all the way up to 248. And now we're going to look at Nvda. Nvidia stock is down 2% and Nvidia holding 283 to 284 as a support right here, blue line 5 SMA on this daily chart. So Nvidia is still looking bullish and not getting that breakout above 289 to 290. If that happens, Nvidia can run all the way up to 298 to even 300. That is possible on Nvidia. Now, upper Bollinger Band expanding still here on Nvidia. So tomorrow, if there is a breakout above 289 to 290, we could see more upside on Nvidia. To the downside, Nvidia breaks 283. Nvidia can come all the way down to not only 275 right here, we also have orange line 13 SMA sitting at 278, and watch out for the big support down here at 269 and then 260. And now we're going to look at Netflix. On Netflix, it's up 0.28%, and look at this run up and rejection on Netflix. From the lows, 329.74, Netflix actually ran all the way up to 336 and then got rejected, came under 333 and now sitting at 332 at the closing. So tomorrow, guys, 2 days in a row, Netflix getting rejected where 333, where we got rejected so many times before. Then needs to break, and if that breaks on Netflix, we're going to see a quick trip all the way up to 340 to even 342. To the downside on Netflix, support down here, white line 20 SMA, 327.75. Below that, watch out for 325, 322, red line 50 SMA, and if that gives up, all the way down here at 314. And now we're going to look at Microsoft. On Microsoft, it's down 0.5%, and Microsoft getting a rejection again at 310, coming all the way down to 306, and now barely, actually not even holding right here, 307.22, and that is not a holding as of right now as a support. We got a close right around blue line 5 SMA, sitting at 307.22. So tomorrow, guys, 307 needs to hold on Microsoft. If not, this thing needs a pullback, and we can get that pullback all the way down to 300. Now also aligned with this orange line 13 SMA. To the upside, Microsoft can hold 307. We could see a run up. If this thing breaks 310, watch out. Bollinger Band expanded all the way up to 317.54. So we could definitely see a run up. Microsoft breaks 310, 317 to even 320 possible on Microsoft. And now we're going to look at AMD. On AMD stock, absolutely flat day, and AMD not really going anywhere, closing at 95. Now, just like the way I showed you guys, Google stock was trading above upper Bollinger Band. And then what happened? Retraced back down to that Bollinger Band, actually going under. Same thing happened here on AMD. It was getting far overextended, trading into upper Bollinger Band, got rejected, came down to 95. And today I was about to lock in some profit at 92. Almost got closer, 93.43. So AMD and Nvidia. Yes, it can go up a bit more, but I think a pullback is right around the corner on AMD and Nvidia. I mean, look at this pullback. And I called it before also that, it's getting far overextended. We're going to see a pullback. It came down all the way down to 80 almost. And now within 3 days, going back up to 100. So that is not a healthy move. Tomorrow or at some point, we're going to see AMD pulling back. And in that case, watch out for the support at 92. Below that, 90, red line 50 SMA, also have support at 88, and then all the way down to 85. To the upside, this Bollinger Band needs to expand all the way up to 100. Some consolidation right here, and then we could see that move continuing to the upside all the way up to 100. Until then, I don't see AMD going too far. We might see a lot of chop here on AMD, and then possibly a pullback down to 92 to even 90. And that's all I have for you guys tonight. Thank you so much for watching.